Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are still great. And today's lesson we are going to learn about could and couldn't. Are you ready? Let's start. And as usual, before we start the lesson, I want you to pronounce this word. Let's listen to the speaker and you repeat after the speaker.
Rollerblade. 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 Type. 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 Send an email. Send an email. Send an email. Count. 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 Play tennis. Play tennis. Play tennis.
How is it? Have you done pronouncing this word? Now let's see in the picture how many people are there. There are two people. The first one is the man and the second is the boy. Now try to read and guess the missing word by listening to the audio. Check this out.
Activity 2. Listen and check your answers. Then say, when I was young.
When I was young, I could play tennis. And I could play football with my friend Dennis. When I was young, I could rollerblade. And I could swim with my friend Dave. But when I was young, I couldn't sail my boat far. When I was young, I couldn't drive a car. When I was 5, I couldn't read a book. When I was 5, I couldn't cook food. When I was 5, I couldn't dive alone. When I was 5, I couldn't kick the ball. But when I was 5, I could ride my bike. When I was 5, I could fly my kite. And I could play all the time.
After you guess the word by listening to the audio, now please write in your book 2 things the man could or couldn't do and 2 things the boy could or couldn't do when they were younger. Now is the speaking section. Say what you could or couldn't do when you were 6 years old. I wonder because you were so little at the age. Just do it like the boy in this picture. For the example, I want to choose swim. So I'm going to say like this. When I was 6, I could swim so far. Or if I want to choose send an email, I'm going to say like this. When I was 6, I couldn't send an email. So you have to say it at least 3 words. Here it is why we always talk with could. So, could refers to an ability, kemampuan you had or didn't have in the past, or waktu lampau but no longer have now, or sekarang. And for the 2 sentences here, those happened in the past. And for the example, when I was 6 years old, I could run fast. But maybe you can't do it anymore because you are already old and don't have the energy to run fast. From the understanding before, please take a look in this sentence. When I was 5, I couldn't count, but now I can. Focus on the red words. Couldn't refer to an ability you didn't have in the past but no longer now. And can refer to an ability you have now in the present. So from the sentence it means that now you can count. Another example is when I was 5 I could fly my kite but now I can't. Please focus on the red words again. Could refer to an ability you had in the past. and can't refer to an ability you haven't got in the present. So from the sentence, it means that you can't fly the kite anymore. Read and complete. Based on the order of the picture, write could and couldn't to every number that related to the sentence. For example, picture number 1. Picture number 1 was about crawling baby, and the sentence for number 1 is Kate couldn't walk when she was 10 months old. So it's impossible for Kate to walk at the age, so you should answer with couldn't. Do the rest number by yourself in your notebook. And this is the end of the lesson. If you still have any question, you can ask me. And don't forget to repeat the lesson again and again so you won't forget it. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.